Do you need thermoplastic aerospace parts? Do you need vacuum formed seat backs, tray tables? Maybe you're looking to get your logo into a part or the name of your company into a part. We can do this in pressure forming. This is a negative tool. This is the tool surface, and we can form things like this. This looks just like an injection molded part, but you're going to spend only a fraction of what the tooling would cost. Take a look at this tray table. This is a small one for an economy airlines, but we can make this tray table for you. This tray table with all these bells and whistles that we're talking about is actually 4 pieces assembled together. And see this seam right here? That's a proprietary weld. We then take the 4 pieces and we install the hinges, and we make a hinged assembly. This goes off to the client, he installs it on the airplane, and it's flying.